In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Whop and add an app to your account. This is a simple yet essential process that can enhance your user experience and streamline your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to Whop, this guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's begin by opening Whop. Once logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll find a comprehensive overview of all your activities within Whop. It's designed to make navigation as intuitive as possible, ensuring that everything you need is right at your fingertips. Next, find and click on the Your Whops section. Here, you get an overview of your personal settings and the various services you have access to. This is a crucial step, as it helps you manage and organize the Whops you are currently utilizing. From this point, select Your Whops to proceed further into your personal management space. Now, it's time to add an app. To do this, simply click on Add App. This action will direct you to a new interface showcasing a variety of apps available for integration. The options might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. There's a quick and easy way to find exactly what you're looking for. If you're targeting a specific app and you're short on time, head over to the search bar. Here, you can type in the name of the app you wish to add. This feature is particularly handy when you have a precise tool in mind, eliminating the need to scroll through long lists and save you valuable time. Once you've found the app you want to add, just click Add. This not only simplifies the integration process, but also ensures you can seamlessly connect your existing services to your Whop account. It's worth noting that you may be required to provide a verification code. This step is crucial for security purposes, verifying that you're authorized to connect the selected app. Make sure you have this information readily available to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an app to your Whop account